Hey y'all, this is Kim with Creative Escapades, and I'm going to be working on this 6x6 canvas. What I want to do is put some paint on this mat and dip my canvas into it. And the colors I'm going to be using is this pink by ArtMind, Liquitex Brilliant Purple, Artist Loft Cerulean Blue, and then some Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White. And I want to make sure that I get the dimensions of the canvas on the silicone mat. So I've been watching Fiona Art do this, and she just drizzles her paint in no particular pattern, just layering it color on top of color until you can no longer see the area below your paint. And just continue layering. Just keep filling it up until you cannot see any more of that blue silicone mat. And I just want to get the correct dimensions, and I'm putting the white all around the edges because I really don't want the colors to go all the way out to the edge of the canvas. But I felt like this needed a little bit darker color to break up some of the pastels. So I decided to use this metallic cobalt blue very sparingly. As you can see, I'm just putting a few drops here and there, and I'm mostly just filling in where I see a blank spot and can still see the silicone mat. And then I decided to also go with Dioxazine purple for the same reason, to just break up the pastels, give this some more depth and color, and again, just filling in wherever I see the canvas still, or the silicone mat. And then I'm just going to put another coat of white over this, just sparingly, not covering it entirely. And then I'm going to just gently lay the canvas directly down into the puddle. I don't want to squish the paint out the sides. I just want the paint to fully come in contact with the canvas. So I'm just gently pressing all around, moving it very, very little. And Fiona advises that when you're ready to lift, that you gently rock each side so that you can break the suction between the canvas and the puddle of paint. And then you just lift straight up, and there's your design. And I love this. I think it's so pretty. I see some cells coming up, and using the metallic cobalt blue and the Dioxazine purple was definitely a good idea. It gave some added depth of color, and it's very, very subtle. It's not taking over the painting. So this is really cool. And I see some like shadows underneath the white, just barely showing right here. I think that's really cool too. I love this. So I'm very pleased with this. I think it turned out really nice. So I still have a lot of paint here, and so I'm going to do some ceramic tiles and make them into coasters. So I'm just cleaning them with some 91% alcohol, and this is just a 4x4 ceramic tile, and just laying it gently down into the paint. And these are very slippery. And there's the design. Love these colors. They're so pretty. Just touching up the edges. And now I'm going to add a little more paint to this before I dip the next one. A little more of the Dioxazine purple and the metallic Cobalt blue. And some more of the Cerulean blue. Not a lot, just a couple drops. And covering that with white. And ready for the second one. Gently lay it in there. And pull straight up. They're turning out really nice. I love them. So I'm just going to continue doing this until I have 4 sets done, or 4 tiles done. And then I'm going to show you what they look like after they have dried. And this is the canvas. Still has to have a coat of varnish, and the coasters still have to have some resin, but they turned out gorgeous. I love these colors. They look very, very springish. Perfect time of the year. So if you've enjoyed my video, please click like and share. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell next to it, and you'll receive notifications of future videos as I upload them. If you have any comments, questions, suggestions, please leave them below. I love hearing what you're thinking and what you have to say, and I will respond to you. And all the products that I use will be listed below in the description of this video. And I hope you've enjoyed this, and I really hope to see you next time. Thank you for watching.